Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Finance and Crypto Guide. In this video, I'm going to show you how to sign up for a new account on Zerion wallet. So let's get started right away. First of all, after you install the wallet application, go ahead and open it and you will see this page where you will find the Get Started button at the bottom. Go ahead and tap on it and now you have two different options. You can tap on Create New Wallet to sign up for a new one. Now you will be asked to set up a passcode. Go ahead and type in your desired passcode and then you will be asked to confirm it. Type your passcode once again to confirm it, and now this will take you to the further sign up process. You will need to wait for some time until your wallet is being generated. Now once your wallet has been created, you will be shown your wallet ID and you will be able to tap on the Finish button. Go ahead and tap on Finish and you will then be asked to secure your wallet. Go ahead and tap on the Backup button and proceed with securing your wallet, as this is the only step that will allow you to sign in to your account later on. Once you tap on this, you have two different options. You can either back up to your Google Drive or you can back up manually. Select whichever option is suitable for you, and if you choose to back up manually, you might be asked to save your passphrase. Tap on Got It and you will be generated a recovery phrase. Tap on Show Recovery Phrase and you will be asked to enter your passcode once again. Type in your passcode and now you will see your passphrase. Now once you see your passphrase, go ahead and make sure that you have saved these passphrases so that you can use them if you need to log in later on. Tap on Confirm Phrase and you will be asked to enter a certain number of recovery phrases. Go ahead and look to the respective number and click on the appropriate word. After completing this task, you will be able to tap on the Finish button and now your account has successfully been created. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to sign up and create a new account on Zerion wallet. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.